what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion is gone and love's taken.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello again to everyone. Hope you are having a good day and evening wherever you are in the world. And I'm in the UK, that's why it's still an afternoon here. Good afternoon everyone from the UK. And let's move on to our video. I'm gonna try out a makeup which is I showed you last time on my unboxing video, and it was the Dior sparkling contour palette, which has everything in it. Blush into a press powder, which is the highlights you can actually use as highlights, and I've got his shadows as well, and a blush and a lippy or lipsticks to it. And today is the day we're gonna try this product. And there we go. And I showed you last time it's got his brushes in there. Probably I'm gonna try the brushes as well. But today we're just gonna go and focus to the product itself. It's such a lovely day today because it's spring. The season changed now, and today is spring in the UK. Let's go and try this product on. I've actually ordered some items online. He ordered it for me because this was my late birthday gift from him. And unfortunately, some of the items got lost. I didn't receive it. I mean, it didn't arrive, which is sad. I don't know where it gone to. Probably got lost, or probably they got nicked. I don't know. But yeah, this is the only item I received from them. And one of the items, which is the spray. That's it. I felt sad because I wanted to do some Dior makeup tutorial as well with the foundation. It's on a foundation. But I think probably I'm just gonna order it somewhere else because it didn't arrive to the place that we ordered in a way. And yeah, let's move on to our video bago ito humaba ang ating palabas. And I'm gonna use a primer from Tarte. Tarte is a primer, clean slate, timeless smoothing primer base. I'm gonna use a little from this because that's what's inside. Just a small amount to put it in our pores. Dito. In here, around here. Kasi marami at comfort around here. And somewhere here. And put it all over our face. There we go. I'm not actually gonna put some foundation today. I'm just gonna use some CC BB cream, which is from Olay BB cream Bubble Shoes. This is shade of fair, SPF 15. Because it's sunny today, we have to use something which is got SPF to it to make sure we avoid those quick aging sa ating face before we get to that certain age. Spread that all over our face. Ang bango nito. It smells nice. Let's protect our skin from the faster aging. Make sure you cover all the areas that you want to cover. And we're gonna do some concealer. It's not much in here. I still have some of the concealer. I got the L'Oreal, but this one I want to finish this one because it's actually going anyway. Let's use it. I'm actually using my mirror, my phone as a mirror because I'm not putting a foundation today. Let's just put a lot of concealer to cover those we don't want to see around here. Those sleepless night. See, it's still got a lot in here, even though it's like nearly gone. Where are you? Pure panda, bualan banda. There we go. This is a mirror. There we go. Bualan banda. Use the finger. It looks like still got my bags in there, peeking out. But anyway, I tend to finish my face first. So moving to my Kiko powder foundation, which is I'm using actually as a contour. Now we need to set our contour, and we're gonna use our Tarte setting powder, Shape Tape setting powder, which is I always use setting powder. Need to set those and soften those nose contour we did. Where I put my concealer. Soften the edge of our face contour. And now let's move to our palette, because this one has got blush in it. we're gonna use the what? I'm gonna use this lighter one. Let's use and put it in here, somewhere here. Ooh. Cool. That's pretty. Pretty. Cool. And now we're gonna try the highlights. I'm gonna use my highlight brush. Well, actually, I'm gonna try the brush that they were giving us, which is this brush. Actually, I'm gonna use it like that. Pulled it because you can actually pull it into this, and you can get this angle. Probably I'm gonna try use the. Ooh. Let's use the somewhere here. Can you see that? Actually, right. Let's put it in the other side. Ooh, pinky. Oh, that was good, but it's a bit rough though. Brush, rougher than I thought. I'm gonna try this to put in my nose. Yeah. There we go. And keep it low. Wow, shiny. There we go. You see? And now we're gonna move in the eyes. Our eyes. I'm gonna use these brushes. And I'm gonna try this one, this side. I'm actually gonna try the look one. I'm gonna use this color here. I don't know what shade it is. Like a pinky color. And we're gonna put that around here. Oh, it's quite shiny. We got a pimple on that. And I'm gonna use that brush. Use this grey that color. And let's put them in the lower crease. Excuse the pimple. They're all shiny. Now we're gonna use this color, and put it in the corner of our eyes. The crease. Half of your crease. Half of your lid. Like that. Go back to it again. Do the same. Here we go. Let's go back to that. And hold those. Oh, looks pretty. There we go. And now we're gonna use other brushes, which is we're gonna use in the lower eye. Yeah, we're gonna use that color again, like the greyish. And then let's put it in the corner of our eye. So we can see. Around here, just half of it, to make our eyes bigger. Yeah. Let's look for a blending brush. Here we go, we got a new blending brush, and we're gonna use the lighter one, which is the pinky color, to blend all the edges. Try these brushes, and let's use the lighter one. So again, the pinky color. And let's put it in the corner of our eye and half of the eye. Lower lid. In your waterline, somewhere closer to the waterline. There we go. I think it looks fun. Now we're gonna use our eyeliner, black eyeliner from Tarte. And we're just gonna create a little wing. Like that. let's do it. I don't know. So. There we go. That's the eye. I know, I'm gonna try the lips. We're gonna use the lip brush from it. I'm gonna try this pink one here. This one here. That's the lips, but I'm gonna try to put this in. Just the middle. There we go. There we go. That was all. Isit natin ang setting spray, which is all-nighter setting spray. Ayan. Okay, walang foundation. I forgot to put my eyes. And let's go use the same mascara, which is the Kiko Unforgettable mascara. I love it, guys. There we go. Ito po yung makeup. Thank you for watching and hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para maging notified kayo or you'll be notified below my upcoming videos. Bye bye guys. Love you. Bye. Ingat.
Fly, things just feel heavy.